I'm Alessandro Amadio. I'm the UNIDO representative for Brazil and for Venezuela. So what UNIDO is doing in Brazil is mostly on the energy sectors. Brazil, of course, is an economy in transitions, so a lot of the services that normally UNIDO provides in the least developing country has not much of a meaning here in Brazil. So our focus again is in an industry and mainly on the energy sectors. In this moment, we are working on Montreal Protocol on a project for commercial refrigeration and commercial air conditioning. We've also a very important component of energy efficiency. And also we are working on biogas and we are trying to expand our program on energy efficiency, energy management system, as much as we can also on renewable energy.